The first set, you can see the number 4. The other set, you cannot see what is not there. There was a number 6 that is missing. So a lot of us don't understand things that you cannot see 10, 20 years from today. Right or wrong? Hindi mo makikita yan eh. Today you're enjoying, di ba? You don't even understand 10, 20 years from today what will happen to you if you don't have this investment journey. Di ba? And I was sharing with you, and when I give a talk with the DRC team, we travel with Bo. And let me share with you a story. A very good friend of mine works for one of the top bank in the Philippines. It's a foreign bank. Then I saw him the other day, about a few weeks ago. He said, Edward, sinabi ko sa anak ko, pag nagkasakit ako, dito lang ako sa bahay. Kasi pag pinasok, dinala ko ako sa hospital, ubos ang pera ko. The life savings that he has, he worked for so many years, right? And he has investment. The nice thing is may investment din siya. Nung nag-retire siya, maraming pera talaga siya kasi foreign bank. Tapos may investment pa rin siya. Pero hindi na nakikita, sabi na, is that I retired too early. Do you know the age that he retired? 65. Today, 12 years from today, he's 77. Naubos na yung pera niya. These are the challenges of everybody. Then, sabi niya, pag dinala mo sa I will now burden you. Diba? Our biggest fear. The reason why we're teaching all this, start investing as early as possible, is so that you won't burden your children when you get older. Tama ba? These are the challenges that we're seeing today. In fact, there are 3 things that you need to understand. Number 1 is that you need to have this investment process na kailangan nag-umpisa ka so that you can benefit from pinakita ni Pael na the miracle compounding eh. You start small lang. Don't need to put a lot of money because it's all about timing. It's not timing the market. It's really about how long you're in the market. Kunti pa kunti pa kunti pa kunti. And then it will compound by itself. And you see these numbers. The second, which is very important also, is that if you don't understand that you need to take care of yourself in terms of your health, right? Kasi sometimes, in fact, I was invited to a friend of mine. Yesterday, I was in the retreat house. And I met the Father Alex Balatbang. And I said to him, Father, ano ba nangyari sa'yo? You lost so much weight. Sabi ni Father kasi, naging diabetic na siya. Right? So now, I think mas mga mid-50s siya. He's now having challenges that he need to take care of himself. So, these are things that hindi natin bata pa tayo, hindi natin nakikita eh. That you need to take care of also of your health, di ba? You have to exercise, di ba? Siyempre, masarap kumain. I mean, that's one of the reasons why as you age, you will have a problem. So, there are 2 things. One is financial. You have to start early taking care of yourself. That you need to have that investment program. Number 2, your health. Because if not, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, pag tumanda ka, pag hindi ka healthy, you will be now having challenges if you visit the hospital. The last is the reason why we're here today. It's all about you need to take care of yourself. Spiritually, you need to be strong. Because if you are not spiritually strong, then you will have challenges with your friends, with your family members, because you will always complain that you don't understand that life has so many challenges. So there's only one way is that you need to understand, you have to surrender yourself to God. Because if you don't understand that, magiging problema lahat ng the things that the challenges that you see, you don't take care of yourself, you cannot see it today. So 3 things that, and I've shared this the other day to the kids that attend. 3 things that you need to be financially strong. Health-wise, you need to take care of yourself, and spiritually, so that you don't blame others for your problem.